So, Miss Mabel, you are 100% done with all of your pre-orientation training for Travelpreneur Dreams. How does it feel?
It feels really, really good.
Yes, yes, yes. Listen, you have did a lot of work. And so next up, we're going to be working on your website. Tell me, what was the hardest part of your training and what do you look forward to the most now?
I guess the whole thing that I had an issue with was the time management part of it. I thought I was good in time management, but nope, I was not. But you gave great advice about the scheduling and the calendars. So all of my calendars are now synced
Yes.
and it is everything smooth, everything runs smooth.
All right, perfect. So you guys are the owners of Rollover Travels. Tell us about your journey. What brought you to this place?
I like to travel, and other people I know like to travel, and they want me to help them travel. And I was like, hey, how do you become a travel agent? I should be getting paid for this. And yeah, that's how I got here. And I'm excited. I'm so happy I did this.
Listen, so okay, what are you excited about the most, Miss Mabel?
Oh gosh. Just traveling, doing like things outside of what I usually do. Just, comfort zones, helping other people do things that they've never done before, and also letting people know that you can do this. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Some people are like, oh, I can't do that. That's too expensive. No, let's find a way for you. I just like helping people figure it out. So
Yes, and then your niche that you're getting ready to walk into, this is a very unique niche, and I'm super excited for you because this is totally untapped. You want to tell everybody what your niche is?
My niche is disability travel. I have two kids that are autistic, and I have some issues myself, and I know a few other people as well. And I was doing one thing, but then it just felt like I was just led that way. And I'm so excited because I mean, the things that I'm learning about it, traveling and disability, uh, I just can't wait. I can't wait to just tell the world
Well,
and
Miss
help
Miss,
people.
listen, this is going to be a whole journey on its own. It's going to be an amazing journey because I really feel like your niche is totally untapped. You may have some people, out there that are trying to do it, but nobody has fully, went all the way in and just really, really did it. And so, you've been posting, you've been doing everything. I'm really, really proud of you. Like I tell
Thank
all of
you.
my agents that have graduated, I have personally trained them. And so I totally feel 100% comfortable sending a client to you because you know how to do everything. You know how to do everything in an event that, I can't service this client. I'm comfortable sending this client to you because you are trained properly. You were able to show me that you did all of your lists. Like, I'm proud of you. I am very, very, very proud to call you one of my travel agents. Okay. So
Thank you,
that's
Tyra.
all I have. Listen, I'm very proud of you. What was you want to tell everybody about your experience with working directly with us?
Oh my gosh. It has been above and beyond. Um,
Right.
um, you have been such a help. And I just told you a little while ago, you're like, it's not over. You can always reach out, blah, 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 this, that, and the third. Tyra, literally, you have been a godsend throughout all this. And you've been there, you've reached out even when I didn't think to reach out, checking in, you okay? Do you need anything? You're quiet over there. And I mean, you have been awesome working with you guys. Oh my gosh. If you're thinking about doing it like I was, it took me a month to finally do it. Don't talk yourself out of doing it. This company, I'm just everything you need to do it. Yes, it's been a above and beyond. That's all I can say. I'm just like trying not to get emotional, but thank you so much for just being there.
Well,
So
thank you so much for believing in us, Miss Mabel. At our agency, we really believe in like the hand-on approach. There's so many different host agencies that agents can choose from. And I know one place that some of them are lacking is, the training area. They may give you the manual, oh, learn this or do this, and then that's it. And so that's what
yes,
happened to me, and that's why I wanted to be a difference as a host. So I don't care how many trainings it's going to take to train that one agent for him or her to learn every single thing that they need to learn. I don't care how many sessions it's going to take. That's the end goal.
yes.
So just keep going.
Yes.
But listen, we really pride ourselves in training training our agents, in whatever area, whenever you guys show up to training, I'm like, okay, hey, you want to work on orientation or you got something else to work
Mhm.
on? So
Yep.
that's important because you could get a client and not be done with orientation. I mean, if you can book client as a consumer, if you can book travel as a consumer, you can do it as a travel agent. It's just different steps. And so, we're really here to help you throughout the whole process. Like you're done with training. Even though you're done with training, you still got me. You got me for the lifetime of your membership. Call me, text me, send pigeons, send birds. I'm all I'm here for you. But that's all I have, Miss Mabel. I'm so proud of you. And listen, if you need
Thank
me, I'm here
you.
for you. Okay.
I know. Thank you, Tyra, again for everything.
Thank you so much, Miss Mabel. So your sign up on everything. Are you excited about working on your website?
Yes, I am. Yes.
So don't forget,
Yes.
when we end this, don't forget to go in and schedule 2 appointments for working
Okay.
on your website and get some pictures together. Try to get some pictures that are horizontal.
Okay.
And see what other kind of inspiration you want for your site and just start making a little log of what you want for your site, and we're going to fully customize it for your brand. Okay.
Awesome. Thank you again, Tyra. I can't wait. This is exciting.
Thank you so much, Miss Mabel. I'm so super proud of you. And if you need anything, just let me know. Okay.
I will.
All right. I'll talk to you soon.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.